Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to walk you through the Fidelity Pointwise landing page. I have in front of you an empty browser. You can use whatever browser you actually like the best. And we're going to access https://support.cadence.com. I'm going to add in there /pointwise. Then the address is https://support.cadence.com/pointwise. Keep in mind that to access this landing page, you're going to have access to the Cadence Online Support platform. If you actually have any questions about how to create your own account to access this platform, we have a video that actually explains all the steps that you have to do. It's a pretty simple process. In my case, obviously, I do have an account already. So I'm going to enter here my email address and my password to access the landing page. This that you have in front of you is the Fidelity Pointwise landing page. So let's see what we have in here. The first thing that you can see up here is basically a banner. Every time we have some information that we would like to share with you, we're actually going to put in there to make it fairly visible. So let's keep on walking this page. You can see right here on the left side, you have a What's New section that actually has two buttons there. This first button right here is the new features in Fidelity Pointwise. So if you actually click on that one, a new page is going to open. That is going to be basically our latest version of the release nodes. The next thing in line here is the V2023 release download. So if you click this button, it's actually going to take you to the Cadence downloads page. Let's go back to the landing page. You can see right here in the middle that we have the Find Answers section that has several buttons. So let's just walk through some of these to see what we have. First off, this one is the installation guide. So if you click on this one, it's going to open up a PDF document with the Fidelity Pointwise installation guide. This document presents all the information you need to install Fidelity Pointwise and also the Cadence License Manager. Let's go back to the landing page. The next button right here is the downloads button. That is going to take you again to the downloads page. This button right here, videos, go ahead and click that button. And you're going to see that basically is going to take you to the Fidelity CFD YouTube page where we actually put all the new videos that we have for all the Fidelity CFD products. You can actually see in here, you're going to have videos about, for example, the Fidelity software. You're also going to have videos about Fidelity Pointwise and so on. Going back to the landing page, the next button in line is the Docs button. If you click on that one, it's going to take you to the Fidelity Pointwise user manual. Going back to the landing page, you have the tutorials button. This button right there is going to open up the tutorials workbook. As you can see right there, it's a PDF document. If you have used Fidelity Pointwise before, you most likely have seen this document. One important thing is if you actually scroll down, you're going to see a small attachments section right here. This first file over there that you can download, it contains all the sample files that are used in the tutorials in this workbook. There's also a little bit more that I would recommend you take a look while you're here. That is the quadcopter ASM AVM tutorial. It's a full tutorial for a quadcopter geometry that is going to walk you through the new automatic surface mesh and the new automatic volume mesh tools. This is also a very useful resource. Going back to the landing page, we're on tutorials. Just go to solutions. So go ahead and click on that one. It's going to take you to the Pointwise solution page right here, where you can see that we have different solutions, or we have used the Fidelity Pointwise software to solve several interesting cases. Going back to the landing page, scripting. So if you click on that button right there, it's going to open up the Cliff manual pages. Again, if you have used the software before, you most likely have seen this page before. Going back to the landing page, plugin SDK. I think you know the drill by now. That is going to open a page with all the information related to the Fidelity Pointwise plugin SDK. Let's keep on going over here. Training. If you click on training, that is going to open up a page that is going to take you to the Fidelity Pointwise Meshing Foundations online course. So let's go ahead and let it load. And there you go. As you can see, we start with a brief history of Pointwise, and then right here on the left, you actually have all the different lectures that we have available. And again, they're going to walk you through all the tools that we have available in Fidelity Pointwise. Going back to our landing page, frequently asked questions. Click on that button. A document is going to open up. It's a short document that basically talks about the transition between version 18.6 and version 2023.1, basically a transition between the Reprise license manager that was used in version 18.6 and the Cadence license manager that is used in the 2023.1 version of our software, and is also presenting a lot of answer to some common questions that our users actually have. Forum, if you want to ask some question and see what other folks are actually asking about using Fidelity Pointwise, you can actually click on that. It's going to open up that forum. You can create in here a new post, and as you can see, we're going to go over these posts and answer as soon as we can. The last button that we have in here is the contact support. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and you can see this is going to take you to the page that you have in the Cadence online support system to log a support ticket. If you're interested to know how this works, it's very easy, and we also do have a video in our YouTube page showing how you can log a support ticket. Going back to the landing page, we have one more element that I would like to show you in here, which is the Getting Started little button. So we're going to click on that one, and you're going to see that this particular page is going to open up where we have basically 3 videos, as you can see right here on the right. The first one is the basic concepts in Fidelity Pointwise. It's a 16-minute video that is going to walk you through the basic things that you need to know about Fidelity Pointwise if you're new to the software. Once you're familiar with that, we do have 2 additional videos. The first one right here is basically going to show you how to use the new automatic surface mesh tool. And this one right here is going to show you how to use the new automatic volume mesh tool. You have also in here the attachment section where you can download the files necessary to follow the exercises that we present in these 2 videos right here, surface grid and volume grid creation. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.